Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to do template literals in JS. So what are template literals? As I have written here, template literals allow more powerful and flexible ways to work with strings in JavaScript. They also provide more readable, concise and convenient syntax for creating strings, as well as for embedding expressions and performing string operations. And also in template literals we use backticks. So I'm going to show you what are backticks. So let's write some code to execute these statements. So I'm going to create a variable called name, and I'm going to assign it a value, maybe my name here, like that. And I'm going to create another variable called greeting, and I'm going to assign it maybe something like, now these are the backticks, these ones. So I'm going to write hi, and you use a $sign and some curly braces. Then you pass in the name of the variable, like name here. Then you continue the statement. Hi, maybe how are you doing this day? Then you are going to print this statement out in the console as greeting. So let's see what we have. So this is my terminal here. So I'm going to run that statement here. So you can see this is what we get. Hi Mansob, how are you doing this day? So we have used backticks here in this statement, and you have passed in the name of the variable that you have assigned it the name Mansob. It's quite simple, just like that. Then we are going to now embed a function in maybe the template literals. So how do you go about this? You create a function called maybe get age, and you return a statement, called maybe the age number. And then you create some variables here, const message, and we use backticks again. So you can execute some statements here to prove that so you're going to have I am, we use a $signs and some curly braces. Then we pass in the name, the function name that you have written there, get age, together with the bracket itself. Then we continue with the statement. Maybe we continue the statement like yes old. Then you're going to print this one out using the console message, just like that. Then we come and clear this one. So I'm going to run that statement there. So you can see this is what we are getting. So this is the statement that we are getting. I am 23 years old. So just like we had done in the previous one, we're just using the $sign and the curly braces that we are and the name of the function, together with its own brackets. So if we were to remove the brackets and run it on the terminal without the brackets, definitely we'll get the function itself instead of the message that we are supposed to output in this code. So we are getting I am basically, as you just see, this one does not make sense. So when we return the brackets there and run it again, this is what you're supposed to get. I am 23 years old. So next, what we are going to do, we are going to use maybe the template literals, using maybe let's use the ternary operators like that. So we are going to create a variable called maybe, let's say, age, and we assign it a value 18, which is 18. Then we create another one, const message. We use backticks here, you are, use a $sign and the curly braces again. Let's change this one, let's use the capital to avoid confusion. Then we pass in the name of the variable as age. We use the greater sign symbol and the equal sign there. Then we continue the age. Now these are the ternary operators that we are using here. So an adult or minor, like this. So we come and execute this one using the console message. So let's see what you are going to get on the output here using the terminal. Let me first clear this one. So this is what we are, this is the statement that we are getting here. You have created a variable and you have assigned it the value 18. Another variable here called message. Now you have assigned this one using the backticks. Now in place of the template of the template literals, while using the ternary operator. So you use a $sign here and the curly braces, the name of the age, so the age, and the greater than the greater than symbol here and the equal sign, and return the value here, which is 18, and a ternary operator here, the question mark. This is the ternary operator, and you now add two statements here, an adult and a minor. So what you're seeing here, this colon here, this one, if the value is greater than 18, then we are going to output an adult. If the value will be less than 18, we are going to output a minor. So let's try and change these ones here and try to run it now. So you can see this is what we are getting, your a minor. When we change this one, when you change this one like that and run it again, you are an adult. So you have done template literals using the ternary operators, and you have used another one using a function, and this one you have done it have done just the basic one. So you have used the normal one, and we have also done using the functions, and you have also done the template literals using the ternary operator. So that's all about template literals for today.